Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Shirley, and by the time you're watching this, Lunar New Year would have passed already, so happy Lunar New Year, hence my red eyes. So today I'm bringing you guys an unboxing of a product that I received recently. It is this package from HISMILE Teeth, and they sell oral hygiene products such as toothpaste, teeth whitening kits, and also mouthwash. And this is just a disclaimer. I'm not sponsored or paid to say anything about these products. They kindly reached out to me and sent me some products to try out. I will definitely give you guys an honest review. So let's just get opening this package. So it comes in this cardboard box. The cardboard box is magnetic. Do you guys hear that? So fancy. They gave me a little card. It says, "Hey Shirley, love your YouTube videos. Hope you enjoy the products and I cannot wait to hear your feedback. Love, Monique, plus the HISMILE team." Thank you so much for reaching out to me. I really appreciate it. I have two boxes in here. I have the Day and Night Toothpaste as well as the Teeth Whitening Kit. The packaging is super clean, super minimal. On the back is just information, what the boxes include, and the ingredients. So here it is. I will open it up for you guys. And it comes like this. There's a toothpaste that you're supposed to use in the morning and the toothpaste used at night. So on their website you can get the Day and Night Toothpaste for $15.99 US. So I'm going to read to you guys the claims on the toothpastes from their website. The Day Toothpaste is designed to protect your teeth from stains during the day with microshield wax forming a protective barrier over your teeth. Night Toothpaste is designed to naturally remove stains and help whiten your teeth while you sleep. So you get 65 grams of product in each tube. So I'm gonna open one of these and smell them because I don't know about you guys, but the smell and the taste of toothpaste is very important for me. Oh yeah, that's where it's at. It smells like spearmint. So I'm very excited to try these out, and I will definitely document my experience. So I'm going to be moving on to the Teeth Whitening Kit. So on their website, the Teeth Whitening Kit retails for $59.99 US, and we're going to look inside. Oh, there's like a little pamphlet. Here's how it works. And I'm going to read this for you guys soon. And it comes with, oh, these look like syringes. So it comes with 3 gel fills, a UV light, and a mouth guard. And let's read this. So step 1 is to gently clean teeth by brushing with toothpaste. Step 2 is to take the battery out of the LED light, remove plastic, and reinsert battery to turn on. Step 3 is to simply attach the mouth tray. Step 4 is to apply 1/4 syringe of whitening gel to the top and also to the bottom of the mouth tray. And step 5, relax and let the whitening process begin. Step 6, the LED light will automatically turn off once your 10-minute session is up. Step 7, rinse mouth with warm water to get rid of any residue. Step 8, smile. That's cute. So some tips. Daily use is recommended for best results. Limit the intake of dark colored food and beverages such as red wine, coffee, and tea. Before and after application, apply pressure to the mouthpiece while whitening. And on the back it says pull here. Oh, this is supposed to show how many shades your teeth is supposed to whiten in 6 days. It's crazy. Use the hashtag HiSmileResults and share your before and after to receive your free teeth whitening pen. Okay, I'm super excited to try them out and give my teeth a little more love because I've never really delved into teeth whitening products because my teeth are very sensitive. I tried the Crest whitening strips and my teeth were just really numb and they felt like they were gonna fall out of my gums. So ever since, I kind of strayed away from teeth whitening products. I've never really gave products a chance or tried to go back to that realm. But I am a milk tea enthusiast. I am an avid drinker of tea, coffee, soda, all those bad things that stain your teeth. And I think it's about time to fight those stains and give me like stark white teeth. So I will be documenting my experience. I will do it every day for 6 days because they say that by the 6th day you should start seeing your results. And I will give you guys my full thoughts and review by the end of it. If you guys are interested and would like to see that, please stay tuned and stick around. I want to see how this turns out too. Hey guys, I'm going to try to give you guys a clear before shot before I even start the whitening process. And I'm aware that the lighting will fluctuate throughout the day and throughout the rest of the clips that I'll be recording, so I hope you guys keep that in mind. I will try my best to keep the lighting as consistent as possible to show you the results. So I hope you guys enjoy this process with me and get a good idea of how these products work. Day 2. Day 3. Day 4. Day 5. Day 6. Hey guys, so it's been 6 days since I've started using the teeth whitening kit. Thanks for sticking around, to those of you who did. So, the final verdict. Does it work? Yes, it does work. You can get results for up to 8 shades whiter teeth. However, in my experience, I don't think it lightened it that much. I also wanted to discuss the lighting and how that affects the colors and what you guys see. Because over the weekend, I went home and my room lighting is totally different from my lighting here. Like, this is as much light as I will get. In my room back home, the lighting is a lot more yellow. So that was something that I kind of knew would affect what you guys see. I also thought about recording in natural daylight, but last week it's been raining and then sunny and raining. It would just like alternate. So at home I use diffusers or like a light box, and over here I use a ring light, and I thought that would be the most consistent lighting to show you guys. And I know that the clips may or may not be very good indicators of how well the products worked, but I will not lie to you guys, I did see an absolute difference in my teeth. I could start seeing the distinction of which of my teeth were the most yellow. Like, my canines are definitely the most yellow. My canines are super yellow, and I never thought that I would be able to get them any lighter, but I definitely see a difference. I did start noticing on my bottom teeth that the upper part of my teeth were a lot whiter than the bottom half of my teeth, and I'm guessing that's because I applied the teeth whitening gel more centered, and that could have affected the results for sure. Also, I did not cut back on tea. I actually had tea this morning just to get through class. That might have also been a factor as to why my teeth didn't whiten that much. I feel like the center of my teeth is a lot more white than it used to be, and it's just some areas that I did not get as much. I tried searching up ways that people would apply the gel onto the mouth guard, and I applied it the same way. There was no pain or sensitivity, which I'm very grateful for, because I was really skeptical about using unfamiliar products on my teeth because I have very sensitive teeth. I did not experience any pain at all. It was very painless, super easy. It gave me a routine to do at night. Like right after brushing, I would put it in for 10 minutes. And it was a really nice additional step to my night routine. I've definitely been really lazy about taking care of my teeth. I knew that my teeth were stained, but they were actually more stained than I thought, because I started seeing parts of my teeth that were whiter. And it's definitely motivated me to like do more for my teeth and take better care of it, because I started seeing results. So is this whitening kit worth the $60? Honestly, it is up to you. If teeth discoloration and staining is a big issue for you and you've used all the products you possibly could and nothing worked, it does not hurt to try this out. If it's a big issue for you and a big insecurity of yours, I think it is worth the investment to fix it. Of course, results will vary for everyone. Also, they offer a risk-free 30-day money-back guarantee. So if it doesn't work out for you and you don't see any results, you can contact them and get your money back. So it is really up to you whether you want to give this a go. So I am all out of the gel fills, and would I repurchase the refills? Yes, I would if I had the expenses, but I am a broke college student, so not right now. I'm really grateful to have had the opportunity to try this out, and I hope this gives you guys a good idea of what to expect when it comes to using teeth whitening products. It's very hit or miss, and you have to be very patient. So as for the day and night toothpaste, I've been using the night toothpaste in conjunction with the teeth whitening kit, so I can't really say what it does on its own. I don't think it did anything to help whiten my teeth, but I haven't seen any new stains that I haven't noticed before, so I like the scent and the taste of these, and they're good for sensitive teeth. It's only been 6 days, but I can't tell a difference from other generic toothpastes that I've used before. I don't think these are a necessity, but if you want something to go with your teeth whitening products, you can give this a go. So that wraps up my review of the HISMILE Teeth Whitening Kit and Day and Night Toothpaste. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that it was informative and gave you an idea of whether or not you want to try out these products. I really like watching reviews and I want to be better at making reviews. If you guys have any comments or suggestions that I could improve on for future reviews, I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! Sometimes I'm so home.